think. So just very gently.
Okay, go ahead.
Ah!
All right.
Sup, America?
What's next?
Duct tape. Okay. So I bought Nashua Tape Products 300 heavy duty duct tape from True Value. So the plan is we're going to do a strength test. I think it's a good idea.
Strength is my weakness.
I mean, you can see it's already like thicker than most other duct tapes. Okay, that didn't work. Hold on. This doesn't hold me, then the duct tape sucks. This might be the end of the video right here. Okay, we ready? Am I falling?
Biggest swing in jungle history. Will hurt very much.
Ugh. Yep. So my arms are probably like, I don't know, 800-900 pounds of force, roughly. So yeah, now usually I only look like this when I'm trying to not be constipated. I think test one, I think we worked.
Quickie tippy.
Okay, so this is gonna be our quick tip number one. If you have chips in your glass, they can like spread and turn into a big problem. So just very gently, you just put that over like that, and it'll keep it from spreading. Like you don't want these to go all the way to the edge because then you can lose the rest of your window.
Nice.
All right, there's our quick tip. Okay, let's move on to the next strength test, which I think is going to be the toe strap challenge. This is going to hook to one ball of the truck, and this is going to hook to the other, like that side of the strap, because I've done this before.
Oh, really?
Not really. Good. All right. I think if it's going to work, that'll be it. Should we try this sucker out?
All right.
It's a little slippery this morning.
Look at that. Wow, that looks pretty bad.
All right, so this is the hard part. That goes there. This goes here.
Quickie tippy.
So this is quick tip number two. If you want a steering wheel cover, duct tape makes a perfect one. So like in my wife's car, she did not have one. And so check it out.
Does she like it?
We're going to find out. And it was only like $3.
It's my car.
No, it's just duct tape.
No.
Great steering wheel cover.
No.
If you take it off, I don't think you don't love me.
That's awful.
You know what? Next time you
I
give
don't
me a
want
present, I'm going to say, it's ugly.
Okay, go ahead.
What's next? You going to kick my dog?
Nice and easy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Uh-oh. Nope. You're dead.
So the toe strap thing failed.
That surprises me. It's a bummer.
I really wanted to tow it. Should we tow it anyway with a real toe strap? Let's see if it'll actually tow with the real one. I was going to try to pull the truck backwards, but I guess I could just back it up.
No. Whoa.
Square knot. Learned that in somewhere.
Oh, it smells like pixie sticks and hope in here.
Okay.
Doing it. He's really doing it.
I almost took out my tree.
Oh, jeez. You might.
I think I'm gonna, this one will tow that one. So I think we need to move on to the next strength test for the duct tape so I don't get derailed.
Okay.
And we ought to do, can the duct tape lift the truck?
Quickie tippy.
All right, so let's say you had an accident and you lose your window. So here's a good way to fix it. You just get rid of any of the excess crud, find a cardboard box. Usually if you like go, like I've found that if I just go to people's houses on their front porch, they have these boxes all the time for duct tape, obviously. And you literally just got to go and just surround the whole thing. Ever have a broken anything really, but window, cardboard, duct tape, covers up the draft. All right, the moment everybody's been waiting for. Will this duct tape hold the truck? I'm gonna use an entire roll of duct tape on each strap.
Just gonna drive your truck over and lift it?
Yeah, that's the plan.
Sweet. So we're just lowering this into position. We're gonna try and lift the truck.
Here we go. Remember, this is a strength test. Everybody wins. They'll either know, can I use duct tape to lift my truck or can I not?
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Come on.
What was that?
Oh! Oh! Ah! Hold on. It ain't over yet. Ah! So fail on that one. Total failure.
Quickie tippy.
Oh, and when are you gonna repair this madness?
Let's do that next. Let's
Wanna
do
do
quick
that?
tip number 4.
Okay.
All right, so like at first glance, this looks like a normal tailgate, but check it out. It's totally busted.
Handy.
Somebody at some point broke my tailgate. So, as quick tip number 4, we're gonna fix the tailgate. Put the tailgate where you generally want it, and then what you wanna do is I'm gonna go around like this, come right through like this. I'm pulling as hard as I can.
Even with your 1,000 pounds of pressure.
All right, so what have we learned today? Duct tape will hold people. Did it tow it at all? It towed it a little bit, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It'll tow you a couple feet. It will not lift your truck. So I guess I would not recommend buying duct tape as an alternative to anything that requires any kind of strength. From an overall strength standpoint, duct tape just failed.